Well, good morning. LPG has hit industry. LPG has hit industry. LPG means liberalization, privatization, and globalization. Has hit industry. Amid concerns over shortage of cooking gas because of war in the Gulf region, a nine-judge Supreme Court bench testing the correctness of court's 1978 interpretation of industry Tuesday caught many in the courtroom by surprise when it observed that LPG has impacted industry. When AGR Ramani was pointing out the obsoleteness of the nearly 50-year-old expensive definition of industry, Justice V.B. Nagaratha, part of the CJI-led nine-judge bench, said LPG has impacted the industry considerably. AG was quick to react. There is no LPG shortage in the country today. It brought smiles on every face when Justice Nagaratha said, by LPG, she meant liberalization, privatization, and globalization. Since the 1970s, a lot has happened on all three LPG fronts, and the court would take into account these developments and attempts to test the definition of industry rendered by a Supreme Court bench in the 1978 case. She said, it appears she borrowed the words from a 2019 Supreme Court judgment. So the AG was again quick to retrieve his wit and said, Supreme Court had rendered the definition of the industry half a century ago when socialism was the flavor of the politics and economy. So markets have opened considerably since the 1990s. Uttar Pradesh, through senior advocates Rakesh Dwivedi's written submission, referred to the 2019 CCI versus Airtel judgment of the Supreme Court, mentioning the LPG model. The Supreme Court had said Indian economy experienced major policy changes in early 90s in LPG model, that is the liberalization, privatization, and globalization. So, with the onset of reforms to liberalize the Indian economy, in July 1991, a new chapter has dawned for India. This period of economic transition has had a tremendous impact on the overall economic development of almost all major sectors of the economy. Thank you very much.